Hello, good morning. So, students, now we have got English lecture. Today we'll do new poem. Poem name is Mr. Nobody, poem number 4.3. In your textbook, come to page number 86. Mr. Nobody. I know a funny little man, as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. 'Tis he who always tears out books, who leaves the door ajar. He pulls the buttons from our shirts and scatters pins everywhere afar. Sorry, and scatters pins afar. That squawking door will always quack. For pretty, don't you see? We leave the oiling to be done by Mr. Nobody. The finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed to let the curtains fade. The ink we never spills, the boots that lying around you see are not our boots, they all belong to Mr. Nobody. And the author is unknown. Unknown means we don't know by whom this poem has been written. Now, student, I will explain the stanza. Please pay attention. I know a funny little man, as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Now here, mischief. What mischief means? Playful behavior. How you all are mischief in the class. Cracked. Cracked means broken. Now please pay attention students for first stanza. The poet begins by stating that there is a funny little person in every house who does all the mischief very quietly. So there is a funny man and who does mischiefs quietly. No one can see this person's face because he does not let himself become visible as he does everything wrong. And here, what it means, you are not able to see who is Mr. Nobody, but he does all the mischief. For example, when you hide your brother's or sister's book somewhere in the house and your parents ask you where is the book, you tell no mama, I don't know where I've kept the book, hiding. So who become Mr. Nobody? You become Mr. Nobody. Yet all of us do agree that every plate that was found cracked was done so by Mr. Nobody. So sometimes you see a plate is broken and it is done by whom? It is done by Mr. Nobody. Second stanza. Tis he who always tears out books, who leaves the door ajar. He pulls the buttons from our shirts and scatters pins afar. That quacking door will always quack. For pretty, don't you see? We leave the oiling to be done by Mr. Nobody. Now here means what? Jar. Jar means what? To keep slightly open. Scatters. Scatter means what? To throw everywhere. Squawking. Squawking means cracking noise, a noise made. And pretty. Pretty is what is a old English which is used for please. So pretty means please. Now look at this second stanza. Mr. Nobody is the one who always damages books by tearing them. He leaves the door slightly open without closing it properly. But Mr. Nobody always pull away the buttons from our shirts, making them unfit for wearing. So he removes the buttons from the shirt and you are not able to wear the shirt. He scatters the pins here and there and afar and makes them invisible. Invisible means which you are not able to see where the pins have been thrown to everyone and dangerous too. We let the squawking door squawk and do not bother to oil it because we leave the work of oiling to be done by Mr. Nobody. We don't want to take pains to do anything responsible. So here we say that we don't want to do any work and we keep everything on Mr. Nobody. The finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed to let the curtains fade. The ink we never spill the boots that lying round you see are not our boots. They all belong to Mr. Nobody. Now here blinds. Blind means what? Screens for the window. So something we use for windows. Fade. Fade means what? After some time, the color loses. Let it be anything. It's called fade. Means here the curtain's color is losing. Spills. Spill means what? Cause to fall. Something which falls. That's called spill. Now look at the third stanza. We never leave finger marks upon the door. If at all they are there, they are made by none of us. If the blinds are left unclosed, then the curtains start fading. Even if they remain unclosed, we are never to be blamed, as we never leave them unclosed. We never spill the ink, for all this is done by Mr. Nobody. The books that are lying around are not ours, they belong to Mr. Nobody. So, hope so students you have understood the poem. I will just summarize the poem now. In this poem, Mr. Nobody is a poem whose poet is unknown. So it is written by an unknown poet. The poem deals with many things that we never bother about and leave carelessly. This attitude of living very very sad about many everyday things and chorus means what work we do every day is brought to our notice. The poet also feels that instead of living we should do the work with a responsible behavior. That's what the author, which we don't know, wants to say. So this is a humorous poem in which the poet tells us something that is true about most homes. When anything is broken or goes wrong, nobody has done it. So, hope so students, you have understood this poem. Thank you students.